Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itin natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo bago matapos ang taong 2024. Ayan, ano yung mga pasabog bago matapos ang 2024, mga changes, anything exciting coming to you. So, let's see. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Virgo. Ano yung energies for Virgo bago matapos ang taong 2024? Okay. So, tingnan muna natin ang mga energy ng astrology. Okay. You have this is Venus in Capricorn in the 12th house. Ooh, okay. 12th house. This is about your mind. Oo, this is about your subconscious mind. Anything that is hidden. So you have Venus here. So Venus is the planet of love, money, aesthetics, and Capricorn energy is more on structure. So I think mas magiging maingat ka ngayong bago matapos ang taon sa mga actions na gagawin mo. It's like you are going to be more connected to your higher self, to your instinct, to your spirituality. And having Venus here, Venus is how you take care of your mentality, how you take care of your mental health. Okay? So some of you, Virgo, mas magiging appreciative kayo or parang mas pagtutuunan nyo ng pansin kung paano nyo mapapangalagaan ang inyong mental health. Some of you, maaring meron kayong matutuklasan na abilidad ninyo lalo na sa spirituality. Some of you, maaring gagawin nyo tong business, gagawin nyo tong source of income that will generate abundance in your life. So example, content creation, about spirituality, anything that is related to the esoteric, anything na mystery, anything like that, no? Parang tarot reading, just like this. I also see that merong opportunities for you to have a business abroad or international. So, kung ikaw yung tipong gusto mong subukan kung magkakaroon ka ng kliyente sa ibang bansa. So, you might launch a website, dropshipping, pwede rin yun. You will definitely take care of your money. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring hindi nyo ipapaalam kung ano yung mga sources of income ninyo. Sasarilinin nyo lang. Kasi that is your way of protecting your money. That is your way of protecting your finances, your abundance. You have Raidu. Raidu is journey. So, maaring may travel talaga. Travel opportunities. Some of you, bago matapos ang taon, mag-abroad. This can be a job, a career abroad, or pwede rin for business. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong matutuklasan or marirealize, madidiscover sa ibang bansa na pwedeng maging business opportunity or anything na babago sa buhay mo starting 2025. So, ngayon pa lang, bago matapos ang 2024, a lot are changing for you mentally and also spiritually. Meron ka ng mga unhealthy habits na i-let go mo. You are awakening. You are awakening to your true self. Inghwas is about growth, inner growth. So you're growing from within. Yung iba na mga nakakakilala sa'yo, na matagal ka nang hindi nakikita at pag nakita ka ulit, nakausap ka, iisipin nila na parang ibang tao ka na. Kasi hindi ka na nila makilala the way you talk to them. Like, you have grown so much. And you have a different perspective in life na parang matutulala na lang sila sa mga sinasabi mo sa kanila or sa mga na i-share mo sa kanila na knowledge. So you also have Perthro. Perthro is about knowledge. Speaking of knowledge, Perthro is you learning some new things, learning a skill, learning kung paano mo mas mapapaunlad yung talento mo. It's also about your instinct, your intuition. So, talagang for you, Virgo, this can be very spiritual for you. Itong bago matapos ang 2024, you will undergo spiritual awakening that will change your life moving forward. Okay? So na natin, overall energy for Virgo. You have the Ace of Pentacles, Aussie. Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings, new opportunities, new job, new career coming in. And kung may mga plans ka, ngayon to nagmamaterialize. Yung mga ideas mo, nagmamaterialize na. It's starting. Nagsisimula na siyang mangyari. Oh my God. Oh, may wish granted kayo. Lalo na pag madalas kayong makakita ng rainbow. Okay? Make a wish because the universe is going to give you a gift. A gift of, this can be a gift of money, pwedeng pera, pwedeng idea that will bring blessings sa buhay mo. This will also bring good luck to you. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, mako-consider nyo to na blessing. Let's say, gusto nyong makahanap ng bagong trabaho or makapagsimula na yung negosyo nyo. It's happening. Money, career, finances. You have the Justice card. Balance. This is realization. Kung anong gusto mong mangyari for your finances. Maaring marami kang awakening pagdating sa pera na kailangan pala hinay-hinay sa gastos. Oh, ito pala dapat sa ganitong bagay ko siya gagastusin. Wow. May authority. Your career is on the process of upgrade. There is an opportunity for you to become an authority in your field of work. Be the leader you wish you had. Wow. So definitely meron ditong promotion for some of you. Okay? I think this is something that you really deserve, Virgo. Yung masasabi mo na, uy, pinaghirapan ko yan. Oh, deserve mo yan. And you will celebrate that. So, sa love life, tingnan natin, love life. Yung iba sa inyo, if ang inyong career may kinalaman sa law, no, sa batas, or sa administration, okay, may growth, may pag-unlad. So, pwedeng mag-level up ka sa career mo. Wow. Oh, sa relationship, you have the World. The World is about accomplishment. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ma-accomplish sa inyong relationship. Pwedeng, if you are connecting with someone na nasa abroad o kaya long distance yung relationship ninyo, pwedeng may pagkakataon na magkikita kayo, magsasama kayo. Or some of you, if you are bago pa lang, or wala pa kayo nagiging karelasyon or single kayo, maaring bago matapos ang taon, may makilala kayo. Foreigner o online or sa abroad siya. I've hurt you and I'm sorry. Naku, may magsusorry. I hope you can forgive me and someday and me someday and understand I was reacting in fear. Ooh. Someone from afar, no? Na pwedeng malayo siya sa'yo ngayon. Can be a romantic connection, can be a friend or a family member na nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding. Itong taong to, nare-realize na niya yung mga pagkakamali niya. Nare-realize na yan. And this person feels sorry about sa nagawa niya. This person might be reaching out sa iyo, no? This person might reach out sa iyo na i-message ka, will talk to you about your situation, pwedeng makikipag-ayos, isusort out yung issue ninyo. Let's see, ano pa? For Virgo. Wow. Di ba? Talaga yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, meron kayong position of authority. Yung iba merong promotion. Or maari ring ba, may business ka. Yung parang, yung merong recognition sa'yo about being the best in that field. Kahit anong field pa yan. Oo. So, sa business, maaring malakas yung iyong influence sa business and people are trying to get close to you. Okay? So, maaring meron kang posisyon na i-assume bago matapos ang taon. This can be literal na posisyon talaga, or it's like you positioning yourself for growth or for success bago matapos ang taon. Change course. A closed door is an invitation from life to move in an even better direction. It's time to change course. So, maaring meron ding magko-close na chapter sa buhay mo. And that's also your opportunity to start a new direction. Okay? So, merong options available sa'yo. You just have to find it. And ito nga, may new beginnings ka. So, whatever you are wishing for is coming true before the year ends. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.